Why did it? Okay, here, you take it, you take it, you take it, you take it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Bobby, don't do what you did last time. Bobby, get the thing away from me. Steer it.
It is so hard.
Put it down. Okay. Can I try? Can I try? Can I try? Can I try? Bro. You did a perfect landing. Here, now you gotta record. Now you gotta record. Here. Oh, Bobby, don't do that. Dude, put it right there. Here. Now you record. Now you record, because I want to fly this. What did I do? How do I control this?
Okay, so first to take off, you push this. You
Okay, what do I do now? What do I do now? Whoa, Bobby. Okay.
It's gonna crash into the truck, bro.
Okay, how do I... No. Like... Oh, no. Okay. But, Bobby, I don't really want to fly this anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Let's put it back.
We need to go fly it at the park.
How do I turn it off, right? Okay. Bro. Okay.